Hey everyone, it's me, Joseph Peretz, and you're watching my video series on how to build your own ADU garage conversion. What is the biggest mistake homeowners make when pouring their foundation? Stay tuned to find out. But before you pour your foundation, you have to design your ADU. I have designed and built over 50 ADUs in the past year. And I also do construction in the greater Los Angeles area. So if you have any questions at all about architectural, design, construction, feel free to go to my website, josephperetz.com. There's a ton of information about ADUs and it's linked down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps a ton. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake homeowners make when pouring their foundation. In this week's video, we are going to be talking about the foundation. This garage is an existing 370 square feet. We are converting this garage into a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom ADU. So we had our garage door on this wall. Now, because we had our garage door, we have no foundation. So what we want to do is we want to take out the garage door, we want to trench. Then we want to get our rebars in, get that inspected. Then we need a concrete truck to come out here. We get the concrete truck to come out, we pour our footer and then also our stem wall. We get our washers, we get our bolts in, everything looks good, and you can tell everything's going to be much easier for framing and for flooring. Pro tip, a lot of homeowners get really scared when they look at their garage. They see a huge crack. Maybe it's from a tree or maybe it's from an earthquake, and they think their project is not doable. Do not worry. If your slab is broken, it's okay, I'm gonna fix it. Anyways, I have to trench from the bathroom, break all of the slab, and then trench the sewer line. So I'm going to trench your slab. Don't worry about it, I'm gonna fix it. All slabs are fixable. The number one mistake homeowners make in the foundation process is actually not verifying how deep their existing foundation is. So for example, we have a garage. The architect or engineer might write that we have an existing 3 or 4 inches of foundation, but we always have to take a drill and see exactly how deep it is. For example, this unit, we did not have enough foundation, which is why you see an 8-inch stem wall. Always verify how deep your existing foundation is. Thanks again for watching the video. If you like what you just saw, I offer a comprehensive course on how to build an ADU garage conversion as an owner builder. Just go to josephperetz.com for all your ADU needs. The course is going to save you thousands of dollars and hours of headaches. And again, remember, like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment down below anything you need for your ADU. And check out all my social media. Again, guys, thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.